Shubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba Sniawbhalang dhar uba dei khmi ya katanat Commerce and Industry sepok Kejela ulang baka karkhana Meghalaya Chera Cements Limited kadai kabala khang kredep nadu usnam arajar arpau hadu mentar marka sorkar kan Shim ya karai kababha marka Biang tam na kabenta ki Nongtrei ki batrai po ketika karkhana khenang makanam Ktah eki yakni uba Sniawbhalang ula jubab iki jingkali halor ke MCCL bat ki Nongtrei balawan ra do president ka seng Voice of the People Party uba aden mele basayoman ha kasi basaw ka dorbar ka arpuetrek uremphang araja rat pusaw uba Sniawbhalang la pentip ru bakin sa syong jianang bat ki MLA haringkat menteri rangba bat ki nongye dan benta banya kren bat ya tai bha halor ka tekaman uba Sniawbhalang ula ongru baka sorkar kan sa tuat jingmut bha shwa bakan Shim ya kanu karai makanam Ktah ka Kamai ka ji ki Nongtrei ka karkhana MCCL.
The matter is to close down the Mamlo Chera Cement Limited plant. Sora is under examination by the government. B, sir, the total number is 278.
Arden, your supplementary questions.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister the amount spent by the government to build the new dry process in the MCCL?
No, Mr. Speaker, sir. The dry process, it was so many items are there and huge amount. So actually, that particular information is not me, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I require notice about what is the amount details spent on dry process. Yes, as of now, the plan is running by dry process.
Sir, may I know whether the new dry process has started commissioning?
Mr. Speaker, sir, during that time it was started, but right from 2020 till date the plan was shut down. Till date, right from 2020 during COVID times, till date the plan was shut down.
So, since the government is under examination for closing down the MCCL, may I know whether all these stakeholders have been taken into consideration during the examination process?
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, sir, numbers of meetings have been held, even at the level of Chief Minister and even at my level also. He has with due consultation along with the local MLA, MDC, and the same Sora and all the stakeholders. We are invite them. We have discussed story. Even number of decisions has been held. So even now we are yet to come to the finalizing stage, because yes, it's true that the matter is quite pending long time. So we are, I think maybe within 6 months times we will be able to take a final decision what decision should take. But whenever we take a decision, I'll make sure that all the stakeholders and the local peoples and the leaders of the area will be on board, and we will take the best decision for the interests of the state, and particularly the people of that area, Mamlo and Chera Cement.
So thank you for the exhaustive reply. Anyway, can we have an idea as member of this August House, what will be the fate or the destiny of the employees of MCCL in case the government decides to close down the MCCL?
Mr. Speaker, I will assure we'll take the right decisions, make sure nobody should be affected. We'll take at the right time, nobody should be affected. We'll take everybody on board. We'll take a unanimously decision accordingly when the decision is taken.
Can we have roughly an idea like what exactly the government is going to do?
Please repeat the question.
I mean, can we have a rough idea what will the government do exactly for the employees in order to ensure that their livelihood will not be affected by the closing down of the MCCL?
Mr. Speaker, that's why I have to say that we'll examine the matter properly. We should take the right decision. That I will assure it.
Yes, Kapran.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Commerce and Industry, how many processing units are there in MCCL, sir?
It's only one unit, MCL Cement only. It's only one. It's Mamlo Chera Cement Limited.
You mentioned about dry and wet.
Previously it was wet process, but now it's running by dry process. But yes, I have replied that right from 2020 it was closed.
So, okay. So, are the machineries still functional in the plants now? Machineries.
Mr. Speaker, sir, some are function, some are not. But now even meeting is when we start only, then we will be able to tell which part is function. Sir. But as of now, the machine is shut down, the whole plant.
So,
But Charles, please.
Sir, in the event of a government corporation being not able to survive on its own and the decision of the government to close down, has the government resorted to any scheme to ensure that the 278 employees still engaged will benefit after the scheme is, after the corporation is closed, by way of what we call the voluntary retirement system or a golden handshake? Has this aspect been taken into consideration, which is normally the case when when a corporation is shut down for purposes that it can't be running? So has this concept been considered by the government to make sure that the employees at least get a fair share of their remuneration so that they can seek employment elsewhere in the interim?
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.